my boy. What you doing? Are you chasing a light dot? It's still there on the ground. He sees it. He's gonna chase it. Oh, but it disappeared because you blocked the light. Now it's behind you. Big silly fur ball. He's like, what is that? What is that, Purse? Mr. Purse? Look how fluffy you are. Percy's got his winter coat now and he's huge. Oh. No, Jake. Oh, now the dot's on your back. Kind of hard to chase when it's on your back. He's like, where'd it go? Where did it go, Percy? Where did it go, Percy? I don't know. But all of a sudden you got a funny spot on your side. Huh? Where did it go, buddy?